Planning to explore Cancun, but don't want to be weighed down by your luggage all day? Radical Storage offers a fast, secure solution for storing your bags while you enjoy the city's attractions, beaches, and resorts. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to deposit your luggage at a luggage storage point in Cancun using Radical Storage. As a trusted platform, Radical Storage provides insured and secure storage options through partnerships with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes. To ensure your luggage stays safe, avoid phishing sites by using the official Radical Storage link provided in this guide. Once on the website, type Cancun in the search bar to find a variety of luggage storage points throughout the city. You can select the one that is most convenient, whether it's near popular tourist areas, transit stations, or downtown Cancun. After selecting your preferred storage point, choose your desired drop-off and pick-up times and proceed to the secure payment. Radical Storage guarantees the safety of your online transactions, so you can book with confidence. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number and detailed directions to your selected luggage storage point. Upon arrival, present the reference number to the staff, and they'll take care of your luggage. Now you're free to explore Cancun without any baggage worries. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.